In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to center the product title on the product card in Shopify. We'll walk through this together inside your Shopify theme editor. And by the end, your product titles will sit nicely centered under each product image, giving your store a more polished and professional look. First, open your Shopify admin and head to the area where we can adjust how your store looks. From the main dashboard, go to Online Store, then choose Themes. On your current theme, click the option to customize or edit the theme. This will open the visual theme editor, where you can see a live preview of your store on the right and all your sections and settings on the left. Next, in the left-hand panel, look for the section where your product cards appear. For many themes, this might be called Featured Collection, but it could also be another collection or product grid section depending on how your homepage or collection pages are set up. Click on the section where you want the product title to be centered, so its settings open up in the left panel. Now, still in that left-hand settings panel, scroll down slowly until you see an option labeled something like Custom CSS. This is usually a small text box that allows you to add your own CSS code without editing your theme files directly. Once you find it, click on it to open the text box. In this custom CSS box, you're going to paste the exact CSS code shown in the video. If you need more time to read it clearly, feel free to pause the video so you can carefully copy and paste the entire snippet. Make sure there are no missing characters or extra spaces at the beginning or end of the code, as that can sometimes cause it not to work properly. As soon as you paste the code, look over to the live preview on the right side of the editor. Give it a moment to refresh, and you should see your product titles move into the center underneath each product card. Check a few different products to make sure the alignment looks consistent across the board. If everything looks good, go to the top right corner of the editor and click Save. This will apply your new centered titles to your live store. Once saved, you can visit your storefront in a new tab to double check that the product titles are centered exactly how you want them. And that's it. You've successfully centered the product title on your Shopify product cards using custom CSS.